Making playlist video. Click the YouTube and then click the profile down and then click the plus and then create the title of playlist. I make it garden playlist and then click the create and then click profile pick down and then click your videos. Click videos and select the video. I make a 3 video playlist. Click 3 lines and then click the save to playlist and then click the garden and the second video here, click 3 button and click the save to playlist and then save the garden. And the last video, click here 3 dot and click garden and click back and then click the playlist. Yeah, we have now making garden playlist. We have 3 video making playlist. So very easy, guys. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to delete this video playlist, so click 3 lines, 3 dot, yeah, and of course you select that, edit or delete.